Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys couldn't tell, I do have a new background right now, and surprise, I moved and I'm so excited. I'm literally so happy right now. So I'll give you guys a little update. If you guys are just here for the lip products and the swatches and whatnot, I'll go ahead and put that little timestamp down below for you guys if you don't care about my moving update. But anyways, me and my boyfriend got a place together and I'm literally on the moon right now. I did not say anything to anyone, and I have been moving for the last month. The last videos you guys had watched were pre-filmed and I didn't say anything just because I'm the type of person that just doesn't like to, I just don't want to jinx things, and the place that we found ended up being literally perfect and it checked off every single box that we had, and it was like almost too good to be true. So I literally didn't want to tell anyone or say anything until I was moved in. So we got the keys 2 weeks ago. I had been packing for the last month. We just moved in this past Friday and I'm just like so happy. So I have been a little MIA and that is why I'm so sorry. Hopefully, you know, I was still trying to film and everything while I was moving and packing. So like I said, the last video you guys watched was pre-filmed, and it's crazy because in that last video, I was like so stressed and like just so defeated, and you could tell in that video like just how over life I was. And it's just because that video was filmed literally the day before we got the keys to this place, which is insane. Just like moving is so stressful, and I'm just so happy and so much happier here. I just love this place that we got and I'm just so happy, and I just feel so much more at peace, and I am so excited to continue decorating this place. I unpacked everything at this point. We still have to like do decorating and stuff, and like I hate that my TV is right here because I'm gonna mount it to the wall. But I'm also trying to still figure out lighting in here. So if the lighting's a little off right now, it's my first day filming in this house, so I am not like too sure how this is gonna look, but hopefully it looks okay right now, and hopefully with editing and stuff I can make it work. Kind of gave like a little bit of like hints here and there, like on my story on Instagram. I like posted stuff for like my new balcony. I just love like my view. I have the view of like just a bunch of trees and like the mountains, and it's like so peaceful and quiet, and it's just like true like tranquility here. So I'm so excited, but I'm so happy to be filming finally in this new place. So let's get into what this video is actually about, and I'm so excited for this package that I got that I literally sat down and started filming immediately. We're gonna be playing around with the new About Face. What are these called? The Juicy Lip Butters. I am so excited. If you guys watch my channel or know anything about me, you guys know how much I love like glossy lips or like tinted lip balms or anything. One of my favorite lipsticks is the Fenty Slip Shine lipsticks, which are barely going viral, I think, which is crazy because I have been talking about those for the last couple of years. But I love that kind of formula that's like very like glidey on the lips but still gives like color to the lips. I saw that About Face was coming out with these. I was like so stoked because they're like my kind of lip product. So the colors look like, I am so excited. We have some nudes, some pinks, some deep shades, some berry tones, some orange colors. I'm so excited. So the description of these on the box, it says lips so yummy you'll want to take a bite. Drench your lips in a rush of sweetness with their new cherry pick lip color butters, a super glossy melt on your mouth lip oil balm for mirror-like shine, and a just bitten flush of color, infused with luscious lip loving ingredients. Formula saturates the pout with a highly pigmented color while quenching the lips thirst with a nourishing blend of argan oil, avocado oil, cocoa butter, and antioxidant rich cherry butter. So it says the balm also features pomegranate flower extract that imparts a natural plumping effect on the lips. Top off with an ambrosial aroma. The sweet cinnamon and pleasing peach lingers on the lips long after application. So there are 14 shades. As always, these are 100% vegan and cruelty free. So we're gonna be doing lip swatches today of all of these. I'm so excited. I literally cannot wait to play around with these. I saw Halsey do a little, was it an Instagram story, I think, just kind of trying out some different colors of them last week, I think, and they look so pretty. So you could definitely do like a full like intense lip color, or you can kind of do like more of that like what is it, like a popsicle lip kind of thing. So let me put these in order of like shades, but yeah, this is what they look like. I have them all right here and we're gonna be trying them all out today. I sent over some cute little stickers, but what I'm most excited for besides the lip products, they sent over socks. I am a sock girl, love socks. So this Thank you so much. I had and just laid them out lightest to darkest so I could do them in like the lip swatches that way. But let me show you guys the packaging real quick. So it just comes in this like clear packaging, and each little clear packaging, the about face font matches the lip color, so I really like that. And then the shades are on here. These are a non-retractable pen type of component, so it does click. It says to get the perfect amount, you just click it twice. I don't want to do it yet. The click thing is up here, click it twice, and that should be the perfect amount of product. Always, I just love the packaging of About Face's products. I think that everything they do is so aesthetically pleasing, and I love to put all of their products on display, which is like, I don't know, I just love when packaging is really good. Well, most of the times I'm not too, like, if a packaging isn't great, I'm just like, okay, like as long as the product is fine. But I love when like the product is great and the packaging is fire. So I really like it. I think that this is like perfect size to just throw something in your bag. It's not too bulky or anything like that. It seems to be about the same size as like a ColourPop lippy stick. So I like that. I like that it has a cap that snaps closed, so I won't like fear that it comes out in my purse or anything like that. So yeah, there are 14 shades, so I'm gonna do lip swatches of all of those. So we'll get into the lip swatches right now.
I'm running out of plans to fall back on shit. I guess I better hustle. Goddamn, this guilt is gonna kill me. I see fingers wrapped around my throat. Goddamn, this guilt is gonna kill me. What did I do? Nobody's gonna tell me.
So those were the swatches of all 14 shades. I truly couldn't even pick a favorite. Those beat my expectations by like 1,000. I was already, like, I had a feeling, I was like, I'm gonna like these. I already know, like, I like that kind of formula, but this like wowed me out of the park. Even more so because my lips right now are so dry. My skin right now in general is just really dry. I know it's been really cold. I don't know if it was from moving, like what, because I haven't really been keeping up with like my skincare or anything like that, but like my skin and my lips right now are literally the desert. Like my hands are literally flaking. So my lips have a lot of like they're chapped. The product didn't even like cling to any dry parts on my lips or anything like that. Like, you know when your lips are chapped and they're like crusty and dusty and like the lip product just like clings to that? It didn't even do that. You couldn't even tell right now if my lips were chapped or not. Like, it's kind of crazy. The formula is so nice. It's extremely hydrating. I'm scared that like applying and taking it off is gonna make my lips even more chapped than they already are right now. And if anything, my lips feel even more hydrated. It's kind of crazy. The scent in here, the scent of these is like heavenly. It smells like peach rings. Oh my god, it smells so good. But it's not like overpowering. I kind of smell it still a little bit after applying them, but not really. Like, it's not super overpowering. And by the way, like, you guys know, I was trying to pick a favorite to like wear and finish this video off. But you guys know I can never stay away from like a brown reddish lip. So I ended up wearing the cranberries today, and I think this might be my favorite. I wasn't expecting to like the bright ones as much as I did. I knew I was probably gonna like the more natural, neutral ones because those are really good to just throw on every single day and just kind of keep in your purse. But I truly liked every single one, even the bright ones. I feel like the bright ones were really wearable. I think every single one even looked extremely wearable. Like everyone, even the dark ones, the bright ones, the neutral ones, all of them looked so nice. I truly couldn't even pick a favorite. Let me know in the comments down below which one you guys thought looked the best on me. I don't even know. I really like this one. This one's definitely my favorite, the cranberries. But I also really liked, was it this one? I think so, Nashi Pear. This one, like the more neutral one, I really liked. I also really liked this one, Cherry Good. So pretty. What else? I mean, I truly liked every single one. I don't think they cling to any dry patches on my lips. I think they're extremely hydrating. My lips feel very hydrated. I'm so impressed with them. I think these will definitely be like an everyday staple for me. They look so nice. Like, they give like a glossy look, but still feel very hydrating. And it doesn't really feel like it'll get everywhere like a gloss will. It's definitely not like something that I think will last all day long. Like, you can tell the formula is very like emollient. So you'll definitely have to like retouch it, which I don't mind. I would rather be able to retouch my lips than not, you know? So I think they look, I'm so happy with them. Wow, I want them to come out with more shades already. Like, I can already tell this is probably going to be like one of my new staples that I keep in my purse at all times. And like the lightest one, I did not think I was going to like this one. I was scared how this one was going to look. Pink Piña. And this one, even this one looked really nice. I am truly shocked because I usually hate colors like this. So I think every single one was extremely wearable. I think it's so pretty. It's about, yeah, like about the same size as a ColourPop lippy stick. Do you think that like 2 clicks is a perfect amount? When you first get them, you definitely have to like click it a bunch of times for like it to finally come to the surface. But I think once they're already out and stuff, 2 clicks is like the perfect amount of product to put on the lips. I like the shape of it. I think it's nice to curve the lips. Even the darker ones, I thought for sure you would have to use like a lip liner or something with them, but I think even the darkest one, Date Me, it would look nice with a lip liner, but I don't think it's like necessary. Like, you don't need a lip liner with it, which I was scared that you probably were going to. The closest thing I could think of to like this formula is kind of the Fenty Slip Shine, which I mentioned earlier. Those used to be my absolute favorite lip products. I would wear them all the time. I do think this one is a little bit more hydrating. I forgot to mention earlier, these do retail for $15, which I think is a good price point. I love that About Face's products aren't too pricey. There are 1.8 grams of product in there, which I think is a pretty good amount. It's 1.8 grams or 0.06 ounces. They all seem to be still be in stock on the website, and they do have some like bundles as well. They're $48 for 4 of them, and they have like different ones on the website with like different shades. So like some more like the brown tones, pinks, reddish tones, and like some more neutral tones. So there are different bundles. I'll link everything down below for you guys. They also are selling the socks that I showed earlier for $12. They do have some little bundles with these and the Cheek Freaks, which I love the Cheek Freaks. I have an entire video on those. If you haven't seen that already, I'll link it up here. And you can pick like the shades for that, which I think is so cool, for 26 bucks, which I think is a steal. Like, that's such a good price. So I'll link all this stuff down below for you guys. I always get so excited with About Face when they launch new stuff. So I am so excited, if you guys can tell. I definitely recommend these. If you love these kind of like lip butter kind of formulas, I think you will definitely like this. I think these are perfect for every day, but also if you want to like pack a punch on the lips, they're extremely comfortable. I can like not stress that enough. These are available now on the About Face website, and they're also available at Ulta, so I'll link them both down below on both websites for whatever you guys, if you guys were interested in picking them up. Let me know in the comments down below what shade you guys like the best. If you guys have picked these up, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below as well. So anyways, I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video.